Are you tired of struggling with heavy car jacks when changing a tire? Well, in this video, we've compiled a list of the top 5 electric car jacks that will make your life easier. These jacks are efficient, reliable, and easy to use, saving you time and effort. So check out the links in the description box for more information on where to buy these amazing tools. Let's dive in. HELP Electric Car Jack. The HELP electric car jack is an innovative hydraulic jack designed for lifting vehicles weighing up to 5 tons in less than 2 minutes to its maximum height of 17.7 inches. The high-powered hydraulic engine makes it suitable for a variety of vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, MPVs, pickups, and trucks. The electric car jack is equipped with a tire pumping inflator that has a tire pressure display, making it easy to monitor tire pressure. The kit also includes a portable impact wrench and 2 sleeves with different sizes to match more vehicles in the market. The LED lights help illuminate your working environment, even in the dark midnight. Plus, the hydraulic car jack and power cable connectors are waterproof, making it suitable for use even on rainy days. The electric car jack kit also comes with a smart overload protection system and a red triangle caution sign to ensure the safety of the operator and the car. The product comes with a 100% money-back guarantee, ensuring customer satisfaction. STANDTALL Electric Car Jack. The STANDTALL Electric Car Jack is a reliable and easy-to-use tool for changing tires or performing maintenance on your vehicle. The electric car jack has a sturdy steel structure, reinforced screw, and a stable triangular design, making it safe and capable of handling heavy loads. The jack is also equipped with a self-locking device that prevents sudden falls and adds an extra layer of safety for both your car and you. Operating the jack is a breeze thanks to its simple 2-switch design, and it only takes about 2 minutes to reach the maximum height of 16.5 inches. Additionally, 2 detachable raised heads are included for sedans and SUVs, making it suitable for various vehicle types. The bidirectional power supply allows you to power the jack with either a 12-volt cigarette lighter outlet or your car battery, and the included power cord is waterproof for use in rainy weather. Built-in flash LED lights and a warning sign on the outside of the box provide added convenience and safety. Finally, the STANDTALL electric car jack comes with a durable carrying case for easy storage and transportation. The electric car jack is a reliable and essential tool for both roadside emergencies and regular maintenance, thanks to its excellent features and dependable performance. MarchInn Electric Car Jack. The MarchInn Electric Car Jack is a powerful and efficient tool designed to help you lift your vehicle effortlessly. This jack can lift 5-ton vehicles with ease thanks to its hydraulic drive design and 340 Nm torque. It operates using a 12-volt vehicle power outlet and has a button on top for automatic lifting or lowering, making it simple and easy to use. This jack can lift your car in less than a minute, saving you time and effort. This electric car jack is also convenient and safe to use. It comes equipped with a tire inflator pump, which eliminates the need to worry about flat tires. Additionally, the compact storage box is organized and includes an electric impact wrench, LED light power cable, battery clamp connecting cable, gloves, and more. The structure is stable and secure, and the jack will stop working when it lifts beyond the height limit or the weight exceeds its maximum load weight. This portable hydraulic jack is versatile and can be used on nearly all types of vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, MPVs, and trucks. Whether you're at home or on the road, the MarchInn Electric Car Jack is a reliable tool that can meet all your lifting needs. Rogtz Electric Car Jack. The Rogtz Electric Car Jack is a powerful and versatile tool that can lift vehicles weighing up to 5 tons. Equipped with a low-pressure rod and double-motor driver, this electric hydraulic jack works independently and effectively. This jack has a lifting range of 5.9 to 17.7 inches, perfect for quick tire changes, and features an automatic stop function when reaching a height limit. This electric car jack is also multifunctional, serving as an air pump and an LED flashlight. The panel is easy to understand and operate, with a simple button for automatic rising and falling and a pressure gauge for viewing inflation pressure. The complete accessory kit includes an electric car jack, safety hammer, plastic case, 11.5 feet power cable, battery clamp with wire, and a pair of gloves, making it portable and easy to use. The electric car jack must be used on a flat and firm ground. With its safety features and versatility, The Rogtz electric car jack kit is an indispensable tool for garages, highways, long-distance travel, and emergency roadside tire replacement. Feanisifei electric car jack. The Feanisifei electric car jack is an efficient and multifunctional tool for lifting vehicles weighing up to 11,000 pounds in just 2 minutes. This electric jack for car is also equipped with a built-in inflator pump capable of generating 150 psi pressure. The hydraulic tank is fully enclosed, making it possible to use the jack at any angle without worrying about oil leaks. Safety is also a top priority with this electric jack, which has a self-locking power structure to prevent slipping if the power is lost. Additionally, it features a safety valve to lower the jack and a super bright LED light for safe and easy nighttime repairs. It is powered by 2 ways. You can plug it into your car's cigarette lighter or use the battery power directly. The jack comes with extra fuses, so if your car can't handle the power demands, you won't be left with a blown fuse. Lastly, this electric floor jack comes with a durable case for tools that doesn't take up much space and can be stored in your vehicle. The case also includes a helpful red reflector triangle to warn motorists. Thanks for watching our video on the best electric car jacks. We hope you found it helpful in selecting the right car jack for your needs. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below.